Hi guys, we are back again with the Fenty VIP box. The VIP is $50 a month. You can skip a month anytime. With your VIP, you can keep your items longer for trying on things. You get exclusive deals and sales, as well as the monthly drop. This time it is the crap. Why am I losing my whole mind with this? I am so sorry, you guys. It's the denim collection this time. And so we have one very gorgeous corset. Right? It's sexy, right? With the drop back. And then you have the little emblem in back. It hangs right above the butt crack. So this goes right below your butt crack. And this hangs right at the top. Mm-hmm. I think it is so cute. So that's why I was like, okay, I have to have it.
Okay. So, you know how usually when you get lacy stuff like this, it's kind of real like scratchy on the inside.
It's not meant to be worn.
It is super soft. I can't feel it. I cannot tell that this is lace. Like if you have your eyes closed and feel it, you don't know that it's lace.
I'm down for that.
Yeah. It's not scratchy. That's the whole thing about lace. Even even across there. And I love this. This is really pretty.
It does have underwire.
Pretty.
So if you're not an underwire person, this probably won't be a thing. And these right here are bendable, so they're not hard.
Yeah.
Usually this has some type of bone in it, but this is completely soft.
Oh, I see why they call it denim.
Yeah,
it's got denim look to it.
Yeah.
Denim color. This is cute. Have your little butt hanging out right there. It's just the butt. You see that it goes down a little bit lower.
Yeah.
So this is it actually goes down just a little bit lower. So that means your butt cheek will be hanging out a bit right there. Right? So even if you don't have a great ass,
you got a great ass.
It'll give you one because you really can't really see it.
Right.
You think you're seeing it? Cute. Really cute. I like this.
Me too. And I just give you an idea of the picture. It's like a little angel with the word savage.
Yeah. And the bra piece at the top. It's a bra, guys. So it holds.
Do you know how many things I have like this that those are falling the whole time because
so
it's
this
nothing?
Is like a real.
That's a real bra.
That piece right there.
Yes, and it's a triple class too.
Yep.
So the girls are gonna stay in.
So to hold you in.
And this is why I keep telling you guys, be true to your size. I got the size for the 1XL. Nice. So I got a real bra. I can't wait to put that on. It's gonna be sexy. And then it also comes with
nice.
A paddle. That has the same material on the back.
That is so freaky. Wow.
It has that denim color. So this matches this. So you can make this a part of your ensemble.
Wow.
I thought it was so cute that it came with this.
I don't want to know anymore, y'all. This conversation is getting too hot for me.
Oh my goodness.
So cute.
I actually love this one. So this was a 2-piece, this and the paddle. It came up to $49.95. Because I'm a VIP, my monthly membership became a credit. So I ended up paying like $2 for it all together. So $49.95.
But what would it have been?
It would have been $49.95.
But what's the other price?
The original price without the VIP membership was like $120.
$120?
Yes.
For this
and the paddle.
And this. I think that's expensive. $120.
But VIP members, you pay $50.
It's really well made. Just like little fine details, like little jewels on it. The clasps are sturdy. A lot of times, this kind of stuff don't last long.
Yeah, so that means you can actually take this dingy piece off.
Yeah.
Which I would definitely do if I put it into the washing machine.
Yeah, I would hand wash this.
You would?
Yeah. Something like this, you don't usually have it on long. So I ain't wash it. I would hand wash it. I mean, you know. Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Oh, these. See how the straps are meat?
Yeah, so it looks like the fringe on your jeans.
Yeah, that's really cute. I
I
really
actually like
that.
it. It shows that Rihanna
Yeah.
puts a lot of thought
I don't
into her
know.
product.
You know, you could. I don't know, y'all. Maybe club it and put some tight pants on with
I
it.
do have a
I
couple
mean, I'm
pasties that she's made.
just.
So you put a
I,
couple pasties underneath.
I don't know. You could like really turn this into something
This with
else.
a mini skirt and some pasties to just
Yeah.
to cover you up right here.
Uh,
You at the club.
you
And take this
know.
with you.
You could do some gold pants, some silver pants, New Year's Eve, just rock it out. Like I mean, you really could do a lot with this.
I got a feeling mine gonna be missing New Year's.
I mean, wow, this is cute.
I love it. I need to go visit her store. She has a store that
It's
got
cute.
opened in Pentagon City. I need to go visit it.
So, 100 and
If you just pay for it without being a VIP member, it is $124.
okay,
The VIP monthly membership is $49.95 a month. That's what I get.
definitely, I would definitely pay that for it.
Yes, for me that is worth it. That's
Yeah.
why I have my VIP membership.
But 100, I'm not quite sure I'd pay that.
Mm-mm.
Right, not this, and
That's
I'm
what-
not saying that it's not well made, guys. It is really well made.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, because I'm all about comfort.
We pay extra for comfort.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's
I
what
will
I'm
pay
saying.
for comfort.
Be a VIP member. And
Yeah,
like I
oh,
said, you can skip a
definitely.
month.
Definitely, yeah,
So
yeah.
if they do a drop and you like it, become a VIP member for that month, get it, and then skip the rest of the month.
Oh,
That's how I would do it.
okay. Yeah.
And you get that warning, hey, the drop is going on right now
Hmm.
in a text message. So pay attention.
This is cute. Cute little cute box.
Love it.
Mm-hmm.
So that was I remember it's laced in denim.
Worth it.
I love it. So
Worth it. Worth it. Worth it.
that was our Savage X Fenty VIP box for this month. And I will see you guys next month with the next drop. So in life, there's black and white. But with us, you get 2 shades of gray. Bye, guys.
Bye.